Hi everyone, Esteban here at FlexPipe headquarters. Today I want to show you this transport cart. It's on 6-inch casters, so I'm assuming it's going to be used in transport all the time, right? So we want to go ahead and use those bigger wheel diameters for that. We have the tow bar here, which is going to be basically a trolley system, a spring-loaded tow bar here. So again, if you want to connect a few of these together, take them to the next place, that's going to be the good option there for that. And then really cool, what they've done here is basically made this cool little nesting box in here, just foamed out. So again, in transport, if whatever's going in here will be basically preventing it from being damaged. So that's the really nice takeaway from this particular setup here. Again, it's all foamed in, so once this is locked, there is nothing moving in there. So again, in transport, you can take it from one facility to the next and be sure that everything is going to be arrived nice and safe inside. So we have the two, one here and the other one here with the lock accessory here. So again, it's just really nice to be able to go ahead and do that, and it's nice and tight. Other than that, they have some boards here in order to whiteout boards in order to write that information there. And then just a little bit of everything, really. A lot of cool little accessories are used here. We got HDPE, we have the locks, AI corners, and then many other different things. But the main takeaway is that this is for transporting something that is sensible, something that is sensitive. Therefore, it's foamed in to prevent anything from being damaged.